You've heard that the Prophet ﷺ, he combined between two prayers for no reason. It is wrong to think that the Prophet of Allah combined two prayers for no reason. It is wrong. Yeah, I'm just saying. But it is wrong. No, not you. I'm just saying any person who thinks that the Prophet of Allah combined between two prayers, that there is no reason, just combined for the sake of combination. And that would go against the ayah. إِنَّ الصَّلَاةَ كَانَتْ عَلَى الْمُؤْمِنِينَ كِتَابًا مَوْقُوتًا. Prayer is being made to be timed book. It's a timed book. Dhuhr and Dhuhr, Asr and Asr, so on and so forth. The combination here comes for a reason. When Abdullah ibn Abbas, that's why the question is. Abdullah ibn Abbas, he had made a combination between Maghrib and Isha and between Dhuhr and Asr. He said, جمع رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم, Prophet of Allah, he combined between the Dhuhr and the Asr and the Maghrib and Isha في غير خوف ولا سفر. Another narration, في غير خوف ولا مطر. Without khawf, meaning without fear. Safar means traveling. Another one, without fear. Fear means, you are in battle. Or matar, without a rain. But it doesn't mean that there is no reason. It means that there is other reason than those reasons which are obvious to the people. When you have rain, the masjid will combine, which is a rain, I'm saying, considerable rain that is considered in that community is to be a rain that would stop people to come to the masjid. Not any rain. Like for example, in Saudi Arabia, the rain that comes to us here, it might stop them from coming to the masjid, and they combine. But, our rain for us is just nothing. But when we have snow, we combine. But snowing in Moscow, for example, they will be combining all the whole winter. Some combination for them has to be real snow with wind and all of that. So here, Abdullah ibn Abbas is saying that the Prophet of Allah, he had made a combination for other than the reason of he was in a kind of journey, or because of the rain, or because of the war, maybe because of gusting wind, cold night. Okay, he had made the combination. But for no reason, that's wrong to think that. Jazakallah khair, that question.